Hey guys, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. As you could see from the description, my August 2018 EarFleek came in today. So I'm really excited to dive in here and see what we got. It feels thicker, so I'm hoping they're bigger. Hence why I don't have earrings on today. So for those of you that do not know, EarFleek is a monthly subscription that is actually very cheap. It is $3.49 a month, so probably the cheapest subscription there is. And they will send you a pair of earrings every month. They do have 3 different styles to choose from. They have minimalist but groovy, simple and fun, or silly and fun, silly and fun, and Boho Babe, which is the subscription that I chose, the Boho Babe. I keep flipping and I don't want to show you guys my address. That's pretty much it. It's $3.49 a month. You have the 3 different options. They send you the earrings every month, and I mean, you can't beat it. $3.49. They are nickel free, which is great, so they don't mess with your ears. If you have sensitive ears like I do, you don't have to worry about it. The pair I got last month, I wear quite a bit. Haven't bothered my ears one time. I will leave a link down below to their website as well as a coupon code. If you are a new member, you can get 50% off your first month, so you could get a pair for $1.75. Great. So let's open it up. It does feel kind of thicker-ish, so I'm hoping maybe that means that there are some fun dangly, that is really sticky, earrings, which is what I like, which is why I chose Boho Babe. So we get the card every month. Hey girl, sorry, my dog's barking. Here's a fun pair of earring style just for you. So she's like, I don't look as cute doing that. So they come in bubble wrap. I can already see that I'm going to love these. So, sorry. Oscar must have heard something. These are beautiful. These, I'm gonna go with rose gold, which I love. I'm gonna say these are rose. At first I thought they might be silver, but they're rose gold. Look, you guys. Can you see what I mean though? When I was talking about, like, they look like they might be silver, but if you really look up close and in person, they are more of a rose gold. I like how they always have the little connector so that nothing gets tangled, and then they're in the bubble wrap and inside this little bag, so that's always great every month. I love these. Oh yes. Oh, now he's decided to bark right here. Look at that, they're so fun. I love the dangle and the bounciness. So cute, cute, cute. Very happy with these. EarFleek has yet to disappoint. So, like I said, I will make sure to link down below their website and that code to get you 50% off if you are a new member. So your first month is only $1.75. So you really can't beat that. I mean, you really can't beat $3.49 a month for a subscription, but $1.75 for that first month is even better. So again, I am absolutely in love with these, and I will wear them for the rest of the day. So I hope everyone has a fabulous day. Do not forget, if you have not already, enter our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. It ends on September 30th. All you have to do is subscribe. If you have not already, you're already here. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. The link will be below to enter the contest. So I hope you all have a great day, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.